Hi guys, I'm Paul from Lovelogs and I'm going to show you how to light your Ooni Karu 16 or Karu 2 Pro using charcoal and wood. So first up, our kit list. What are we going to be using today? As always, natural firelighters. Anytime we're cooking, we want to use a natural firelighter, not a chemical block. Some beautiful lumpwood charcoal, specifically lumpwood, not briquettes. This is lovely, light, sustainable British charcoal that burns hotter than anything else on the market. It's perfect for an Ooni. We've got 20cm kiln dried beech splits. Beech is the absolute king of pizza oven wood and these are cut perfectly to size. And useful but not essential, some hardwood kindling. Where hardwood kindling comes in really useful is if we get distracted making pizza and we take our eye off the oven, this will give us a really lovely burst of heat. I've got an infrared thermometer to check the stone temperature. You'll see I've taken the digital thermometer for air temperature off my Ooni. I prefer to rely on the stone temperature and what my fire's doing. As always, very simple checklist before we start. Chimney cap off. Chimney vent wide open, internal baffle vent wide open, door always closed, and the cover for the fuel tray always on. Right, that's talking over, let's get it lit. A nice full tray of lumpwood charcoal, nestle 3 firelighters in there, get them lit and get the cover back on. The best part of this method, and the reason it's the one I recommend, is because it's super easy. At this stage I can comfortably walk away for 15 minutes, at which point I'll come back, check and see where the fuel is up to and if I need to top up. See you then. Right, that's 15 minutes chilling inside, no stressing about topping up the wood. Let's see how we're getting on. Beautiful hot bed of charcoal, but plenty of room in there, so let's top up. Look out for charcoal falling out of the fuel tray and onto the stone, and just pop it back in if you need. Right, I'll see you in another 15 minutes. 30 minutes in, 2 loads of charcoal, it's time to check our stone temperature, see where we're up to. So we're at about 350 or 360 at the centre of the stone, and that's about the upper limit of where charcoal's going to take us. So it's time to add some wood. While I'm really happy filling that whole fuel tray with charcoal, what I find is if you fill it with wood, you get a lot more smoke. Whereas if you just keep your wood splits in that central channel, you get a much cleaner burn. That one wood split will burn for about 8 to 10 minutes and get us pretty close to pizza cooking temperature. So we'll check in then and see where we're up to. Right, that's another 10 minutes down, 40 minutes total heat up time. Let's check our fuel, check our stone, and see where we're up to. Yeah, nice. Still got a bit of life left in that split. And we're 420, 430 in the centre of the stone. Perfect Neapolitan temperatures. I like to give all my pizza ovens much longer to get up to temperature than the manual suggests to give them time to get completely saturated with heat. I'm going to go in with one more split, and when I'm next topping up in about 10 or 15 minutes, I'll launch my first pizza. That's it, 50 to 60 minute heat up time using charcoal and wood in the Ooni Karu 16 or Ooni Karu 2 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. If you're looking for tips on how to use Oonis or other small pizza ovens, please subscribe, give us a like, and I'll see you soon.